Warning. The CS scenario is entirely fiction and is not real. This video also contains valid CS stones. Do not play this over the air, as this will cause mass panic nationwide. Thank you.
Like and subscribe right now, or this spider will be in your bed tonight.
The following message is transmitted at the request of the Hutchinson County Police Department. At 12:16 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, a human-like creature was found with two dead bodies of students at Borger High School. The creature has been named Maria Hensley by the BHS staff. It is a white female, 5'10", weighs 186 pounds, red hair, tied back in a braided ponytail, white bow. Big gold necklace with the name Maria, pink and white scrunchies, pierced ears, curvy body, and was last seen in the BHS choir hall. As a result, Borger ISD has been closed until further notice. Stay tuned for further updates on this dangerous situation. The following message is transmitted at the request of the Amarillo Chamber of Commerce. This is a shelter-in-place warning for Carson County, Hemphill County, Shamrock County, and Hutchinson County, until further notice. This is an update from last time. Maria Hensley has multiplied 2 times over 2 minutes, and the clones are now going on a huge killing spree. This is an extremely dangerous situation, and you are less likely to survive this riot. If you are outside, seek shelter now. I repeat, seek shelter now. Take important essentials with you, including food, water, clothing, medications, first aid kits, chapstick, activities, battery-powered radios, and phones. Do not call 911, as telephone lines shall be kept open for emergency use only. Stay tuned for further updates on this dangerous situation.
This is Fox 14 News at 6. The Maria Hensley clones have multiplied, and multiplied, and multiplied. Oh my God, they would not stop multiplying. The clones have claimed the lives of so many people in 34 states, including Alabama, Wisconsin, Colorado, Michigan, Arizona, Hawaii, Alaska, and Oklahoma. Wait, who's that? Oh my God, I better run. We've interrupted normal programming. This is a national emergency. Important instructions will follow.
This is not a test. I repeat, this is not a test. All normal programming has been canceled. Turn your radio to a station that gives you news and information for your area. The Maria Hensley clones have adapted to a new action, which is breaking down doors and shelters. This situation is becoming deadly and will likely result in the end of the world. These clones are expected to reach the rest of the world within the next 8 hours.
We've interrupted normal programming. This is a national emergency. Important instructions will follow.
This is it. Not even poison could stop these clones. The world is about to become a red ball of blood. So, gather your friends, family, pets, and relatives to say goodbye. The only human on the earth now is her. You got lucky, Maria. Good job. We are so proud of you. This station will now sign off forever as we will play our national anthem. Goodbye.